Have you ever wondered what it's like to feast on a plate of fried tarantulas or slurp up a bowl of bird's nest soup? If your answer is no, then you are in for a treat. Hello there, and welcome to another video with your friends here at Passport Journey. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, so you can be the first to get our newest videos. Did you know? There's an undeniable thrill that comes with trying out exotic foods. It's not just about satisfying your hunger, it's about embarking on an adventure. An exploration into uncharted culinary territories, where every bite can be a revelation, a shock, or a delightful surprise. This is the essence of food exploration, a journey that transcends the boundaries of taste and culture and takes us to the farthest corners of the world. Picture this. You're in Cambodia, and in front of you is a plate of fried tarantulas. A local delicacy, these eight-legged creatures are surprisingly crunchy, with a taste that's often compared to chicken. You take a deep breath, close your eyes, and take a bite. It's a moment of courage, a moment of curiosity, a moment of connection with a culture so different from your own. Or perhaps you find yourself in China, ready to try a bowl of bird's nest soup. This delicacy, made from the saliva nests of swiftlets, is revered for its rich flavor and health benefits. As you lift the spoon to your mouth, you can't help but marvel at the story behind each ingredient, the labor of love that goes into every dish. From the sizzling street foods of Bangkok to the succulent tagines of Marrakesh, from the spicy curries of India to the robust flavors of Mexican cuisine, every region has its unique gastronomic offerings waiting to be discovered and savored. Food exploration is not just about tasting new foods. It's about immersing ourselves in the culture, the history, and the people behind these foods. It's about embracing the unfamiliar, the unusual, the exotic. It's about breaking down barriers and fostering a deeper understanding of our shared humanity. So, whether you're an intrepid traveler seeking new experiences, a food critic on the hunt for the next big thing, or simply a curious Epicurean with a taste for adventure, there's a world of exotic foods out there, just waiting to be explored. Join us as we take a tantalizing trip around the world, one dish at a time. Imagine a passport, not for crossing borders, but for diving into a sea of flavors and textures. This is the concept of a food passport. It's an imaginary booklet, where each page is a new dish, a new delicacy, a new culture. It's a culinary journey, a gastronomic adventure that transcends geographical boundaries. Now let's embark on this journey, where our taste buds are the explorers and our appetite, the compass. We'll voyage through the spicy streets of Asia, the aromatic markets of Africa, the gourmet kitchens of Europe, and beyond. Each stop is a new stamp, a new flavor, a new memory. This journey is not just about trying different foods, it's about immersing ourselves in the cultures that created them. It's about understanding the stories behind the dishes, the traditions, the history. It's about savoring the world, one bite at a time. So get ready to stamp your food passport with some unforgettable culinary experiences. Asia, a continent where food is more than sustenance, it's a symphony of flavors. Our journey through Asia has been an unforgettable culinary adventure. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit some of those moments that made our taste buds dance. We began in China, where we savored the legendary Peking duck. The crispy skin and succulent meat, glazed with a sweet and tangy sauce, was a symphony of taste and texture that left us craving for more. Next, we ventured to the vibrant streets of Bangkok, Thailand. The city's food scene is a melting pot of flavors, but one dish stood out: pad thai. The sweet and savory noodles, tossed with crunchy peanuts and fresh lime, was an explosion of taste and texture that we'll never forget. In Vietnam, we were introduced to the national dish, pho. The rich broth, fragrant with star anise and cinnamon, brimming with rice noodles and tender slices of beef, was a comforting and soulful meal that warmed our hearts. Japan was a revelation. The delicate artistry of sushi, the vibrant bowls of ramen, and the tranquil tea ceremonies stole our hearts. But it was the matcha-flavored treats that left an indelible mark on our taste buds. In India, we were greeted by the fragrant aromas of spices and the vibrant colors of the food. From the spicy, tangy chaat to the rich, creamy butter chicken, every dish was a celebration of flavors. The journey ended in South Korea, where we fell in love with kimchi. The fermented cabbage, with its tangy, spicy, and umami flavors, was a revelation that we couldn't get enough of. Every country, every city, and every dish has been a memorable encounter. Each one has left an imprint on our hearts and our palates, turning us into true globe-trotting gourmands. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the quiet tea houses of Kyoto, Asia truly knows how to delight the palate. Next stop, Africa, a continent that dances to the rhythm of its diverse culinary beats. Africa, the cradle of humanity, is also a treasure trove of culinary delights. The food here is as diverse as the people, with every region offering a unique set of flavors, techniques, and ingredients. It's not just a meal, it's a journey through centuries-old traditions, a dance of flavors that tells the story of Africa's rich cultural heritage. Take the north, for instance. Moroccan tagine, an aromatic stew named after the conical pot it's cooked in, is a perfect blend of sweet and savory, a testament to the region's historical trade routes that brought in a plethora of spices. Across the Sahara in West Africa, jollof rice rules supreme. This one-pot rice dish, dyed red with tomatoes and spiced with a blend of thyme, onions, and Scotch bonnet, is a national pride and a symbol of friendly rivalry between Nigeria and Ghana, each claiming their version is the best. Move further down to East Africa and the story continues. In Ethiopia, injera, a sourdough flatbread, is more than just a staple. It's a utensil, a plate, and a communal bond. Paired with doro wat, a spicy chicken stew, it's a meal that transcends the boundaries of the dining table, fostering a sense of unity and togetherness. And let's not forget South Africa, where the humble braai, or barbecue, is an institution. An array of meats grilled over wood or charcoal, served with pap, a maize porridge, and chakalaka, a spicy vegetable relish. It's a celebration of life, an affirmation of the South African spirit of Ubuntu. I am because we are. But the true beauty of African cuisine lies not just in its flavors, but in its stories. Each dish is a testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and creativity of its people. It's a culinary narrative of a continent that has weathered countless storms, yet continues to thrive, its food a vibrant testament to its indomitable spirit. Africa, with its bold flavors and hearty dishes, sure knows how to make a lasting impression. Europe, a treasure trove of culinary delights waiting to be discovered. With a rich history steeped in diverse cultures, the continent serves as a gastronomic haven, where each country, each city, and even each village has its unique flavors and culinary traditions. Take a stroll through the vibrant markets of Spain, where the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of freshly cooked paella, a symphony of saffron-infused rice, seafood, and meats. Or venture into Italy, the birthplace of pizza and pasta, where each region boasts its own interpretation of these beloved dishes, from the hearty lasagna of Bologna to the thin crust pizza of Naples. Then there's France, the revered epicenter of gastronomy. Imagine tucking into a warm, buttery croissant in a quaint Parisian cafe, or savoring the complex flavors of coq au vin in a rustic tavern in the heart of Burgundy. And let's not forget about the cheese. From the sharp Roquefort to the creamy Camembert, French cheese is an experience in itself. Venture further north, and you'll find yourself in the land of hearty stews and beers. Belgium, known for its moules frites, succulent mussels served with a side of crisp fries and a pint of world-renowned Belgian beer. This small country packs a significant gastronomic punch. Moving east, we enter the vibrant world of Eastern European cuisine. Poland's pierogi, Hungary's goulash, Romania's sarmale, each dish tells a story of the region's history and its people's resilience and creativity. But the European culinary journey doesn't end there. There's the fresh seafood of Greece, the hearty sausages of Germany, the smorgasbord of Sweden. The list goes on. Each dish, each bite, offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Europe, its people, its history, and its culture. Europe, a continent that never fails to surprise and delight with its culinary prowess. The Americas, a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, each with its own unique flair. This vast region, stretching from the frosty tips of Canada to the fiery landscapes of Argentina, is a gastronomic playground that offers an exciting fusion of flavors. In North America, food exploration is a thrilling journey through diversity. The United States alone is a culinary tapestry woven with influences from all corners of the globe. Here, you can bite into a juicy cheeseburger in New York, savor a spicy jambalaya in New Orleans, or indulge in a succulent lobster roll in Maine, each dish a testament to the country's cultural melting pot. Journeying southwards, the cuisine takes on a fiery personality. Mexico, famed for its vibrant food scene, is home to many dishes that have gained global acclaim. The hearty tamales, the tangy salsa, the comforting bowls of pozole, and of course, the world-renowned tacos. Each dish is a burst of flavor that tantalizes the taste buds. Further south, the culinary traditions continue to evolve. In the Caribbean, the food is a blend of African, Amerindian, European, East Indian, and Chinese influences, resulting in dishes like jerk chicken, curried goat, and the delectable coconut shrimp. And who can forget South America? This region is a food lover's paradise. From the sizzling barbecues of Argentina to the tangy ceviche of Peru, each dish is a celebration of the region's rich history and cultural diversity. The Brazilian feijoada, a black bean stew with pork, is a comforting and hearty dish, while the Colombian arepas, cornmeal patties filled with cheese, are a delightful treat that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Tasting your way through the Americas is an adventure in itself. Each dish tells a story of the people and the land, of their history and their heritage. The fusion of flavors and the diversity of the cuisines are a testament to the region's vibrant culture and its embrace of all things delicious. From the sizzling barbecues of Texas to the tangy ceviche of Peru, the Americas sure know how to throw a culinary party. Down under in Australia and Oceania, where the food is as vibrant as the landscapes. In this vast region, stretching from the sun-kissed coasts of Australia to the Emerald Islands of Oceania, each meal is an adventure waiting to unfold. This is a place where ancient traditions marry modern culinary techniques, creating a unique gastronomic tapestry that leaves you hungry for more. Australia, the land where the outback meets the sea, serves up a smorgasbord of flavors. Picture this: freshly caught barramundi from the Northern Territory, grilled to perfection, its tender, flaky flesh bursting with flavor. Or perhaps you're more inclined towards the exotic. Then how about a serving of kangaroo steak, a lean and hearty meat with a distinct gamey flavor that's quintessentially Australian? Venture further into the heart of the country, and you'll encounter bush food, or bush tucker as the locals call it. This indigenous Australian cuisine is a testament to the enduring survival skills of the Aboriginal people. Think succulent witchetty grubs, or the tart crunch of the kakadu plum, each bite a tribute to the resourcefulness of the land's original inhabitants. But Australia isn't the only food haven down under. Journey across the Tasman Sea to New Zealand, and you'll be greeted by the hongi. This traditional Maori method of cooking food in a pit oven imparts a smoky, earthy flavor that's hard to forget. Imagine the succulence of slow-cooked lamb, sweet potatoes, and vegetables, their flavors melding together under the earth. The islands of Oceania, too, have their culinary stories to tell. From the tangy ceviche of Fiji, fresh fish marinated in citrus juices, to the hearty taro and pork stews of Samoa, each dish is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Pacific. Australia and Oceania, a culinary adventure that's as diverse as its stunning landscapes. Next time you're planning a trip down under, remember, it's not just about the kangaroos and the koalas. It's also about the food, the flavors, and the stories they tell. Australia and Oceania, a culinary adventure that's as diverse as its stunning landscapes. And just like that, our global culinary journey comes to an end. As we reflect on our gastronomic adventure, we realize that it was not just about savoring exotic foods. It was about immersing ourselves in the cultures and traditions that birthed these culinary delights. From the bustling markets of Asia to the rustic kitchens of Africa, from the sophisticated dining rooms of Europe to the innovative culinary spaces down under, we have tasted the world. Every bite was a story, a history lesson, a cultural immersion. The spicy curries of Asia, the hearty stews of Africa, Europe's delicate pastries, and the fusion flavors down under. Every dish was a revelation, an insight into the heart of the places we visited. Food exploration is more than just a culinary journey. It's a sensory exploration that gives us a deeper understanding of the world around us. It's about stepping out of our comfort zone, daring to try new things, and embracing the unfamiliar. It's about tasting the world one bite at a time. Throughout this journey, we've learned that food is a universal language, a bridge that connects people and cultures. It's a conversation starter, a peace offering, a celebration of life, the joy of sharing a meal, the camaraderie around a dinner table, the satisfaction of a well-cooked dish. These are experiences that transcend borders and cultures. But this journey doesn't have to end here. There are thousands of dishes out there waiting to be discovered, thousands of flavors waiting to be savored. Our taste buds are our passport to the world, and the journey is endless. And remember, food exploration isn't just for the professional food critics or the globe-trotting adventurers. It's for everyone. It's for the curious souls who are willing to try new things, to challenge their palate, to taste the world. For more travel tips and products to help you on your traveling journey, check out the links in the video description below. So until next time, my traveling friends, from all of us here at Passport Journey, We wish you happy trails and safe travels on your next exotic food journey.